Just Dial Q3 FY26 results, revenue growth with profit pressure. Just Dial has announced its Q3 FY26 results, showing a continuation of revenue expansion while profitability faced headwinds compared with the corresponding period last year. For the December quarter, total revenue increased modestly, supported by steady demand for the company's local search and business information services, along with growth in digital advertising and paid listings. Despite the revenue uptick, net profit declined year-on-year, reflecting both cost pressures and investment in growth initiatives aimed at strengthening platform capabilities and user engagement. Operationally, the company continued to focus on managing expenditures and improving delivery efficiency, even as competitive intensity in the local search and discovery space remains elevated. Metrics related to active business listings and user interactions trend positively, indicating that the core ecosystem of merchants and consumers remains engaged, which could help support future monetization opportunities. Investors should pay attention to trends in user engagement, conversion of free listings to paid campaigns, and the company's ability to balance investment with operating leverage in the quarters ahead. Risks include slower monetization amid higher content delivery costs and the challenge of sustaining advertising revenue growth in a fragmented digital marketplace. On the other hand, catalysts for the next few quarters include deeper penetration of paid services, structured product enhancements to drive client spend, and broader adoption of analytics tools by local businesses. Overall, while Just Dial's Q3 FY26 results reflect healthy top-line resilience, the profit performance underscores the need to monitor how cost management and revenue diversification evolve as key strategic pillars.